It's easy to find the wonder of life. She heard a song on the way to LA. An old friend used to play and nearly brought her to tears. They hadn't spoken in years. Checked in, then she raced through the crowd. There's only one seat left now. Out of everyone in the world, she was sitting right next to her. Some things are just hard to explain. He just couldn't win. He got laid off again. Took all the money he saved, and he went out on faith. And even when no one else could see it, he never gave up on his dream. Now who would believe he runs his own company? Some things are just hard to explain. So amazing sometimes all we can say.
I couldn't believe how he ate the turtle.